The case for management systems. Your company will hopefully have progressed impressively, met your organisation's goals and ambitions, and enjoy high levels of customer and stakeholder satisfaction. But now you're faced with implementing a quality, health and safety, environmental, information security management system, or perhaps an integrated system addressing the requirements of 2 or more of these prestigious and internationally recognised standards. But you have heard there are problems with badly implemented management systems. But powerful external forces have gathered, customers, competitors, suppliers and possibly trade associations, all wanting your company to change and adopt these systems and processes. These forces mean that you can either stagnate and wither, or change, flourish and improve. The options available to you are the DIY route, where you learn about the requirements of the standards, which detracts you from your real focus, the running of the business, or the consultancy support route. Not knowing, you are frustrated and angry as you are unsure how to get from where you are to confident in improving. Hopefully, we can help. The first question is often, what is a management system? Well, it's really a book of best practice that, if you like, describes the way in which your work works, although these days it's more often held electronically. The system will ask you to define your plan's objectives and targets, how these translate into the relevant operational quality, health and safety, environmental or information security policies, procedures, guidance notes and instructions. All organisations will have plans, objectives and targets, even if they are simply things that the leaders and managers have in their heads. Sensibly, these standards ask you to show how you manage these plans and any risks associated with them. All organisations also have processes, the things that they do to deliver products and services to their clients, each of which will have some impacts on quality, health and safety, the environment and information security. Very simply, get job, do job, bill job. It's always more complicated than that, but that's usually a good starting point. Essentially, happy staff working with slick processes make for happy customers and happy customer comeback. It's also a good idea to formalise how processes are improved. In a bit more detail, business as usual processes, that is the processes that deliver value to your clients, might start with a receipt of inquiry, work through the delivery of your product or service to the customer, followed by the provision of an invoice and getting paid. All these activities, and how they are undertaken, can impact on the quality, health and safety, environmental and security processes. And there are separate videos for each of these standards mentioned, so feel free to watch these. It will certainly take time, money, effort and focus. Many leaders and managers have said things like, it's as if before we were doing okay, but we weren't all pulling in the same direction. The impact of these programs is that the staff are aligned against the objectives of the company, the objectives of their relevant departments and their own objectives and targets, as well as the requirements of the standards. Implemented properly, these programs take you on a journey of creative destruction, where processes are renewed and refined on a journey of never-ending continual improvement, which is designed to take you forever closer to your goals. Studies by MORI, the Manchester Business School, and Research International have all shown the benefits to be considerable. When properly implemented, the benefits include better management control, the elimination of procedural problems, improved efficiency, improved customer service, and increased customer satisfaction. It's also a very useful marketing tool that often opens up doors which would remain otherwise closed. Let Statius help you realise the benefits of a robust management system. Have a look at our website www.statius.co.uk or call us on 020 8460 3345. We'd love to have a chat.